Operationally, there are hundreds of reasons to run wires and cables. A new data center, moving offices, new offices, a new production unit, or just updating old systems. Each situation presents the need to manage your wires and cables so that they can not only be set up and accessed easily, but also to minimize or avoid damage. If cables or wires bend too sharply, it can induce internal reflection and potentially snap fibers, both of which can damage data flow. The cables must be managed in such a way as to prevent microbends. Fast Drop can help you do this. It is a fiber bend radius control module which provides the BICSI recommended minimum bend radius for fiber optic cables. This prevents microbends and ensures consistent data transmission. Here are some examples of how Fast Drop is being used. Here is a patch panel egress in a telecom router. This one is in a telecom MUX unit. And lastly, as a modular patch panel for an IT rack. Where it is currently used. For fiber to the home or fiber to the premises, FTTH or FTTP. Patch panels, control boxes, racks. Data centers, central offices. Telecom switches and base stations. Medical, X-ray, and imaging equipment, and across a wide range of other industrial equipment it would take too long to list.